guys, welcome to Ryan and Claire's World of Fun. Today we are going to make carrot bread, and also we're going to make the carrot bread into carrot shape.
Let's get
started! You can also check out the detailed ingredients in the description. Peel and chop a carrot to small pieces and then steam them for about 20 minutes. The carrots are steamed and cooled. Let's mush them. You actually don't have to mash it really smooth. The small lumps actually give a better texture. Alright, let's make the dough. Add in bread flour, add in sugar, a little bit of salt, a teaspoon of instant yeast, and stir all the dry ingredients together. Add in more milk, crack in 1 egg, and add in all the mashed carrots. Stir everything well together until there's no dry powder. We'll let this sticky blob rest for 20 minutes. We'll put some butter in after. We actually only rested it for 10 minutes. And look, the gluten's already developed. Now it's time to add the butter. Mix the melted butter into the dough with a spoon. This'll do. And now time to let it rest again. It's been 20 minutes and look how much gluten has developed. Hey guys, resting the dough is very important, saving you from kneading the dough. Stretch and fold the dough for a few times. You can tell there are more gluten developed already. Let it rest for another 15 minutes. Turn the dough out on a lightly floured surface and knead it for a minute to turn it into a smooth ball. Brush the bowl with a little bit oil and then place the dough in it to rise. Look, it's very warm out there, so it's perfect to prove the dough outside. While the dough is proving, we made some foil cones. So basically like this. We also made some leaves and bunnies with melted white chocolate and a little bit of food colour. We also whip together some cream cheese, double cream, and sugar for the fillings later. The dough is ready and it's looking good. This dough's a bit wet and sticky, but don't worry, it's supposed to be like this. Here comes Chinese Mama's Kung Fu hands. Da 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 da. Hey, and you better not mess with my Chinese Kung Fu Mama. Da. And the Chinese Kung Fu chop. Hiya! This is definitely not her best performance. Anyway, so we separated the dough into 10 equal pieces. I mean, they're roughly equal. Roll each portion into a ball. As I mentioned before, they're roughly equal sizes. You know, with our home cooking, every bread is unique. And then shape the dough into long strips like this. And here's my demonstration. And I'm a quick learner, I have to say. As I mentioned before, every piece is unique. The spirit of home cooking. Roll the strips around the cone. We used some of the molds and some of the foil cones we made. You could roll it from the bottom or from the top. Either way, up to you. As long as they turn out like a carrot. Cover and rest for another 20 minutes. And then we give them an egg wash. And it's time to bake. Ta-da! They're ready! And the kitchen smells so nice! Cool them down on a cooling rack and then carefully remove the cones. Look, you can see the little carrot pieces in the bread. Yum! Let's have some fun! Let's make the bunny an Easter fantasy world. These bunnies are so happy with all these giant carrots to eat. They're so delicious. The white chocolate and more white chocolate. The cream cheese filling and the soft and fluffy bread. Okay guys, I'm gonna get on with my eating. Thanks for watching. Like and subscribe. Bye. I'm Ola. I could be Pinocchio.